Hi, I'm Janet Hagan-Wallace, and I own a company called Writing on the Wall Management, and I am the event management company that's taking care of Money Grows on Trees. I was lucky enough to attend the very first Money Grows on Trees event in 2019, and I'm super excited about the event in May of 2020 coming up. Here's the thing. I had no idea what I was getting into when I said yes to Jeremy. We've known each other for several years, and so I was extremely excited to help him bring his vision to life. What I didn't expect was how the event would impact me as well, just from being there. And I wanted to take this opportunity, and he let me, jump on this video and share that with you. So, the things that I saw at the Money Grows on Trees event in 2019 were nothing short of extraordinary. There were tears, there were massive breakthroughs, there was crazy energy and excitement, and it was contagious, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it was just like this electricity from person to person, and each new speaker that came on just elevated the event that much more. And I cannot wait to meet Brittany Turner this year.
Yes.
Girl,
Yes.
cannot wait to meet her.
Yes.
But she's one of several speakers that he's got lined up for the 2020 event that I just know are going to have massive impact, just like last year. To me, this event, aside from the fact that we get to be at Turks and Caicos on the beach, which, any reason to write off an event at Turks and Caicos is a good reason. You're going to be around such big players in their own life, and there's something about that energy of when you're around like-minded people that are going after the things that they want in life and learning new things and sharing their knowledge and their passion. Man,
yes,
it's incredible. And I walked away uplifted myself. I walked away learning way more than I knew when I walked into it. What I think is going to happen is you're going to walk away with more clarity about how to get financial freedom. You're going to walk away with a plan. You're going to walk away inspired. And you're going to walk away with new opportunities, and definitely walk out of the event with new friends.
Yes.
And new networking.
Definitely.
Opportunities. You know, I mean, it's just, plus hello beach in Turks and Caicos. Did I mention that part? That we get to hang out? Yeah, it's an all-inclusive resort. There's tons of activities. That's the icing on the cake though at this point.
Yeah.
You know, because I think the thing that's so exciting about this is you get to be around, you get to learn up close and personal from you and from these great speakers that you brought in. And if you haven't read his book yet, freaking do yourself a favor. Go grab that book before you get to the event. But anyway, there's still a few spots left that he told me that. I was like, well, let's fill those spots. Let me get on this video and talk about my experience of being able to not only be there, but be a part of it, and just thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the thing. You always see events, you'll see the main person or one of the speakers talk about how good the event is. This is the event coordinator, and without her, I want to say publicly thank you, because she helps me implement my ideas. That's something that we're going to learn a lot about in the event, is we can have huge ideas, but you need an implementator. You need someone in your life like Janet who can do great things, who can help you make moves, and who can help create impacts for you. So this is a video from an event coordinator telling you that you need to be at this event because it's powerful, it's uplifting, and it's incredible.
Well, and there was so much connecting the dots, right?
Yes.
I saw people have these aha moments. I mean, I almost literally saw light bulbs appear above their head. You know, like you could see where they had their epiphanies and where it went from, okay. And then you would see some people would their stories were so emotional, and these tears would come through because they were so moved and so changed by what they were hearing and by the breakthroughs that they were having personally at the event. And man, it feels good to be a part of something like that.
It's an all-inclusive, very small knit, very mastermind style community. The people are going to be there. So you're going to get access to myself, Rick Barker's going to be right there, Brittany Turner's going to be right there, Billy Brown's going to be there. People that you can reach out to and ask, who have raised hundreds of millions of dollars, who have made massive changes online, both for their community and the social media presence, helping people from all around the world. So you have an opportunity to be this close to people who are making massive impacts.
Literally.
Be there, click the link below, get more information, and make sure you connect with this person because she will be emailing you. For anyone who signs up, make sure you're all taken care of and you're good to go.